This is Yoruba Community in Owerri Imo State. They were having their special event, their special gathering to celebrate and enjoy their special delicacy, their special dishes, which is amala. This was a colorful event, one of the best celebrations for Yoruba Community in Owerri Imo State. And this event was Amala Day. As you can see, they prepared so many dishes, so many delicacies, so many beautiful delicacies, dishes. And people gather to eat, enjoy, and celebrate.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's a very wonderful one. I'm sorry about, he was saying he was speaking and the heat was more, yet he was speaking. The Lord will bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Bro, says they do amala guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we invite the next item, we want to honor the dead.
I'm on no be Yoruba wedding now. Amala Day. Amala Day, bro.
We used to be here.
Chideke. Oh,
Hold them that honor.
Jesus.
Meanwhile,
Guy. You sweet? Never taste them. Yoruba boy.
Thank you. Àwọn èèyàn wa tí Ọlọ́run lò láti jẹ́ àwọn ìkọ́ra àwọn olùdásílẹ̀ àti alátìlẹyìn Yorùbá Community ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ wọn sí ayé mọ́ apàdánù wọn láìpẹ́ yìí afẹ́kùn wọn láti rẹ̀. Please help me display.
Pressure. So this is how they make amala, as you can see. My Oga, well done. I greet you.
The picture of former acting used to be here. Former
I tell you, I say, today I go waka go where food go short for me. I don't waka see where food go short.
Also, please just take a moment. Also, chief, the whole arm of cheers. Also snatch the border the discussion is likely to be centered in our culture. Which discussion? But if there is a solution, Therefore, as many cultures
I don't enjoy myself. I dey shout say I go chop, omo. To chop the things, you know, come the hungry meal. Jesus Christ. No. I dey shout say I won't chop. I can't reach a belly lock. So now so this thing dey be, guy. They are doing Amala Day, Yoruba Community in Imo State. Today is the Amala Day. These things here you see me here in challenge. Shit like wow.